male and tiny, no bigger than your fingernail. Almost everything that walks past here could eat him, even a cricket. His best chance is to stay absolutely still and trust that the cricket looks right through him. Danger past. For the last few weeks, females, one after the other, have visited him and entrusted him with their offspring. Some are now almost ready to hatch. But in the jungle, there's always someone out to get you. This wasp is a specialist hunter of frogs' eggs. But these tadpoles are not as helpless as they might appear. Incredibly, the unhatched tadpoles can sense danger, and the oldest and strongest wriggle free and drop into the stream below. The eggs at the top of the leaf, however, are still too young to hatch. And now the wasps know they're there. He's managed to save most of his young.